Flip the unit over and remove 10 5mm screws from the bottom cover. Fold the unit up and insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest. Gently slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Unplug the battery from the motherboard. Remove 3 2mm screws and 3 1.5mm screws from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the LCD cable from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the touchpad cable from the motherboard. Peel back the tape. Pull back the locking clip and unplug the palm rest cable from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the daughterboard cable from the motherboard. Gently pull up to pop the antenna cables free from the motherboard. Unplug the sensor cable from the motherboard. Replace the motherboard. And make sure all the cables are out from underneath. Replace the 3 2mm screws and 3 1.5mm screws back into the motherboard. Plug the sensor cable back into the motherboard. Gently push down to plug the antenna cables back into the motherboard. Plug the daughterboard cable back into the motherboard. Plug the palm rest cable back into the motherboard. Plug the LCD cable back into the motherboard. Plug the touchpad cable back into the motherboard. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover. And replace the 10 5mm screws.